It's Tilliana's World. Hip hip hooray, yay! Hi guys, I'd like to introduce you to my black as night cat Freddy. This is Freddy. Isn't he adorable? What do you have to say, Dylan?
He hurt you.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't scratch. Here we have our cat. It's Freddy's face. Isn't he adorable? Here's what Freddy does if there's a toy around. He seems to look happy. He looks like he's about to eat. Here we have Fred, the adorable cat. He's beautiful, isn't he? Aww. So, what's your impression of my cat video? Anyway, while Dylan's waiting for Freddy to do something interesting, I'm going to continue recording. And my beautiful bell bag. Isn't it beautiful? I know, I love it so much. Okay, everybody, we have some bad news. Cat has failed to do anything interesting. Because at home, believe me, it does interesting things. It rolls over. Believe me, this cat, like, I know it may seem to you like this cat is just like some cat who just lays around all day and is pretty lazy. Believe me, you and me, this cat is not lazy. This cat is like the coolest cat ever. It like does so many cool stuff, but I wish it would do this on camera. So I'm kind of upset now. Because it didn't do any of that cool stuff that it normally does at home on camera. Seriously, I'm disappointed in that cat. Like, Fred... Oh, I never told you the name of my cat. My cat's called Freddy! Who I'm very disappointed in because it did nothing interesting on camera. It usually does interesting stuff at home, but it doesn't do anything interesting on camera. That is what I have learned today. So I should try, next time I make a cat video, to make sure it ends up better than this one. So, yeah. That was an epic fail. Yeah, I'm sorry. It was an epic fail. I wish my cat would have done something interesting, like roll over, but it didn't. I'm very disappointed in it. So I'm sorry if I wasted your time and you thought my cat was going to do something interesting, but it didn't. But then again, I didn't technically waste your time because it was fun to learn that I own a cat, wasn't it? I'm assuming. So if you want more cat videos, leave a thumbs up on the video or even a comment. And yeah, if you thought anything exciting was going to happen into this, I'm really sorry, but it didn't. So, yeah, sorry, and I really apologise, but then again, I don't apologise, also definitely, because it was kind of fun learning that I own a cat, wasn't it? Anyway, it's time to end the video, otherwise this video will be way too long. So, yeah, let's end it. Goodbye! And if you weren't aware, Dylan was also in this video. I'm not sure if you can hear him in the video, but he was definitely in it. My brother was definitely in the video. Good.